how to check network connections. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. So for that, the first thing you can do is open up your device's main settings. So open up settings, hit Windows plus I and your settings opens up. And once your settings opens up, you may go ahead and look for the option called network and internet and open it up. And then once you head over to network and internet, you may head over to Wi-Fi or Ethernet to look for the connection that you have on your laptop. So you can even look for properties from clicking on properties here. Apart from that, the next method you can apply up is directly from your Windows screen. So go over to Wi-Fi, right click on it, head over to open network and internet settings. And once you open it up, it will lead you to the same page. You can head over to connected internet and you can also look for properties. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.